Hello, my name is Ed and you're watching Ed Wired, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the inside of a microwave oven. And this one in particular, I got it at a thrift shop for around $10. I do not have star safety screwdrivers to open this, so I'll just be bending it open with pliers. Inside of a microwave there are quite a bit of components. On the right side of my microwave, where all the buttons are, is where all the parts are. That's on the right side, but your buttons and stuff might be on the left side, and that's where the parts will be. So wherever the buttons are, the parts will be. Finally, let's just bend that up. Before I do anything else with this microwave, I'm going to give you a disclaimer. If you open this and inhale the dust, you're dead. If you touch this while it's live, you're dead. And if you touch this before discharging it, you're dead. So I do not recommend poking around in a microwave without extensive electronics experience. And if you have the crazy idea to open a microwave, even if you do have extensive experience, do it safely and do it at your own risk, or don't do it at all. So, this is the transformer, and it steps 120 volts AC, which is your regular outlet power, to about 2,000 to 3,000 volts. In this case, this one is about 2,000 volts. And then this capacitor and this diode make a voltage doubler, which just doubles the voltage, and it also turns it into DC, which then leads it to this magnetron, which spits out the microwaves, which cooks your food. And I also found this cool light bulb in the microwave. The main reason I'm here is for the transformer, the diode and the capacitor, because I can do stuff with it. So, right now, I'm going to take the transformer out of the microwave right now. To take the transformer out, you need to flip it over and unscrew these 4 screws on the bottom. Okay, I've got the transformer. And this one is cool because here's your 120 volt input, and here's your 2,000 volt output wire, and the other wire, the 2,000 volt output, is the casing of the transformer. And what's cool is there's another secondary. It's these thick wires. These are low voltage, high current wires, which heat the magnetron so it can spit out microwaves easier, I think. Something like that. So, the main reason I'm getting this transformer is that I can basically get this 2,000 volt output wire and arc to the casing. And of course I wouldn't do that with my bare hands. I would tape it to a stick or something. And so now we have the microwave transformer. Let's get the other stuff out. Next thing I'm going to get out is the capacitor and diode for the voltage doubler. Right now I'm going to discharge the capacitor. Yeah, I don't think that had anything in it, but still, you should discharge it anyway. 2.1 kilovolts, 0.8 microfarads. That's the same capacitor that was in the other microwave I took apart. They also have the same transformer. And look at that big high voltage diode on it. Wow. Let's just pull these off with pliers. Now that we got out that stuff, let's take off the cooling fan. Yay, more Phillips screwdrivers. Okay, here's the cooling fan. Just snip off all these wires. There we go. Has some circuitry connected to it. We could easily take that off. Wow, nice fan. Okay, let's test out some of the stuff that we got from the microwave with my power supply. Let's do the light bulb. This is a 12 volt power supply, and I doubt this light bulb will work, but let's see. Yep, Oh? Huh. You can't see that, but they're very slightly glowing red. It's not enough to work. Ouch. It's hot. Huh. Strange. Okay, let's just try plugging this light bulb straight into the wall. Whoa, that's bright. Oh, that's so cool. That's amazing. That's incandescent for you. Ow! Oh my gosh. Oh, that actually worked. Now let's try this fan. Just plug it in. I think this fan might work, but this might be an AC motor fan, so we'll see. But it should still work at DC. Here goes nothing. Literally nothing. Do any of these things work at 12 volts? Let's make some arcs with that microwave transformer. Danger, do not try this.
Heat it up a lot.
You saw how those arcs were. They look like fire. I do not recommend trying that, and I used a stick taped to a wire, and I had to get the electrodes less than 1 millimeter together before it made the arc, and then I could stretch it. Wow, that arc was so hot it left some plasma behind after the arc was done. That's amazing. I hope you liked this video. See you later.